Hey guys, it's your girl Yamina Hall here, and today I want to do a quick unboxing of a product that I just bought. So this is, let me turn it around. This is the C920 Pro HD webcam, guys, by Logitech. Now, I just got this in because I am upgrading from the Logitech. I don't even remember what number it is, but it's so old, but I'm upgrading, and I'm actually shooting this video on my Mac using my FaceTime camera. So today I just want to do a quick review, unboxing. I've been waiting for this in the mail, and I've been wanting to upgrade mine for a webcam because the one I have, I think I bought it back in 2010, I believe. And so when I first started like actually doing some videos, so I recently upgraded to the Logitech C920 Pro HD webcam, and I've been hearing a lot of good things about it, so I actually went and purchased one. So I wanted to do a quick unboxing, and then maybe I'll do a review on it once I actually use the camera. So this was it's a full HD. You can do video calls. It appeals video full HD and video conferencing full HD. Okay, so let's just open it up. I'm trying to see what else is on the box, but let's just open it up. So here it is, guys. Oop. Okay, so it comes with the plastic. This is what it looks like. It's pretty wide, and let me show you what my old one looks like since I'm not using it to record. Okay, this is my old one. Now this is a which it still works. It still works, but this is like super old. So you see the difference between the two. This one's more widescreen, I guess. This one works well too. I think I bought it for like 50 bucks back in 2010, I want to say. I think I bought this for like 50 bucks. But it has the mount on it, just like this one does have the mount on it. Let me take the plastic off. This is like brand new out the box. As soon as I finish this video, guys, I'm gonna hook this one up to do my videos. Okay, so anyway, the C920 is a lot wider, you can see, as opposed to this old one. This is probably like the first Logitech, but this also gets to clamp on to your, trying to get the plastic off, hold on, should have did this before the video, right? But oh well, this is real time, real me unboxing. So let me take the plastic off of it real quick. Okay, so yep, here it is. See how that opens up? And keep it in focus. See how that opens up, so you can set it on your, it has mine, the old one has the same thing, but this is wider, so it actually clips on to your laptop. Okay, you have the mounting piece, so if you have a tripod, you can actually mount it on the tripod. It's USB. Okay, this is pretty though. I really like it. Is there anything else in the box? I think that's all that comes in the box. It's just basically the deal. Okay, cool. So yeah, guys, this is what it looks like if you've been wanting to purchase it and wondering what's going on. But I'm going to do another review on this actually once I use it, and maybe you guys can see the difference. But this is what it is. It comes in, it's the C920 Pro HD webcam by Logitech. So I'll put the description and the link of this video. I will be doing some other product reviews basically on what I'm using to do my videos, guys. So if you got any value from this, make sure you like, comment, share this video out, guys, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel because I do product reviews. I talk about everything marketing, funnels, design, affiliate marketing, and also how you can build your business online through sales funnels and make some money. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.